Welcome, in front of me I have Hisense LED TV, and today I'll show you how we can switch off this TV. So we can make it on the 2 or even the 3 ways. The first one and the most fastest is just simply grab your remote control and then tap once on the power button, just like that. If you have any problem with your remote control, for example it doesn't work, you can use another key. So when you take a look right here at the bottom, just like here, you can find here the Hisense mark on the TV. So under that you can find the button, the manual button on your TV. So if you want to turn off your TV, you have to click and hold this button, and as you can see, after a few moments our TV is completely turned off. And the last option, the last way, is just simply to unplug our TV from the electricity or unplug the cable from our TV. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.